If you want to add extra stability and safety to your RV or trailer, then check out this grab assist handle from RecPro. This product is a grab handle that can be easily installed just about anywhere in your RV. Depending on where you install it, it can function as an entry or exit assist handle, a shower handle, or even a replacement door handle. It features a low-profile design with an ergonomic molded grip, as well as a simple 2 to 4 screw installation with built-in screw caps. The grab assist handle is made out of solid polypropylene material, which makes it lightweight yet highly durable. They're also available in black or white, as you see here. To install, simply mount the grab handle in your desired location using 2 to 4 mounting screws, making sure it is mounted to a solid surface. Once installed, simply snap the built-in screw covers into place and you'll have a nice clean and finished look. It's also important to note that the grab assist handle does not come with installation screws. You'll have to supply those yourself. The dimensions for these grab assist handles are up on the screen if you want to pause the video and take a quick look. If you'd like to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.